Hey friends, my husband brought this beautiful pot of succulents home for me, and I don't know how to take care of it. I don't even know what all the pot of the plants are. This one fell and I don't see any roots, so I was wondering, is this something I can propagate? And if so, how do I do that? And then yeah, just any tips of what these succulents are and how to take care of them, how much sun, how much water. I am super grateful that he brought this home for me. It's very, very beautiful. I hope you guys all have a great day and God bless.